Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how to get virtually unlimited camster tokens without you needing to pay for it. It is directly approved by Camster. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Camster will still get paid real money for these tokens, for the allocations of these credits. So basically the way it works is that you are going to watch a video ads or something along those lines, just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a significant amount of money in your Camster account, which convert to tokens. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how you can use it. It is really simple, and this level of advertisement made for Camster just got released this year, I believe. It is 100% legit, it does not break any rules, and it is in fact pre-approved and partnership with Camster. So guys, if you are interested in this video and you know you're going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I am showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited Camster tokens guys. The only requirement is to qualify first, but do not worry guys, it is really simple and it takes 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who love Camster. I want to get access to premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like this type of content, and if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content, and guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.